Today, we are going to answer the question everyone is asking. Why is Roman concrete more durable than modern concrete? Why? Why does Roman concrete last thousands of years, but modern concrete just few years? Now stick around and watch this video till the end because we are going deep every second as the video progresses. Most importantly, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I make videos on civil engineering. Now, one of the most fascinating mysteries of ancient Rome is how is their concrete able to last so long? Although it was struck by sea waves for over 2,000 years, but yet these concrete structures are still around in our modern time, while modern concrete seems to just fade off in just a decade. Now, in order to understand this, you need to know how modern concrete is made and how the ancient Romans made their concrete. So first of all, let's take a look at how modern concrete is made. Modern concrete is made with Portland cement, which is a mixture of silica sand, limestone, clay, chalk, and other ingredients when melted together at a blistering temperature. The paste in the concrete tends to bind the aggregate, which is the rock and sand. And the aggregate has to be inert because any unwanted chemical reaction can cause cracks in the concrete, which will lead to erosion and crumbling of the structure. So this is why concrete doesn't have the longevity of natural rocks. But you know what? This is not how Roman concrete works. Roman concrete was created with volcanic ash, lime, and seawater, which has advantage of a chemical reaction. The Roman may have observed that volcanic ash deposits called tuff rocks, which when mixed in with the volcanic ash mortar was more volcanic as compared to modern aggregates. So this in turn will then continue to react to the material, which ultimately make Roman cement far more durable than you would think it should be. Now, you know what? The Romans created a rock-like concrete that performed better in open chemical exchange with seawater. That is pretty crazy because the Romans, they didn't use reinforcement like we do today. And it is exactly the opposite of what happened in modern concrete, which tend to erode as salt waters rust the steel reinforcement and washes away the compound that holds the materials together. Now, making concrete the way Romans once did would be a boon to the modern building industry, especially when it comes to coastal structures like piers, which are constantly battered by waves. But unfortunately, the recipe has been lost over time. So our only chance of creating ancient Roman concrete is simply just to reverse engineer. So it is based on what we know about its chemical properties. And it is not like we can replace all the wordsmiths with the historical stuff. No, because not everywhere we can access the right volcanic ingredients. So we can say the Romans were quite fortunate with the type of rocks they had to work with. Now the problem is we don't have the access to those rocks in a lot of the world. But if we can crack the recipe, then modern marine engineers could tap into the potential of a material that doesn't need steel reinforcement, which can last for centuries, like the Roman concrete. So this is why Roman concretes are more durable than modern concrete. So there are two things you need to take away from this video. The reason why Roman concrete is more durable than modern concrete is because of the materials they use for building their concrete, and also the rocks that was available to them during that time is not around in most part of the world today. So it's going to be very difficult to produce such a concrete. So this is why the Roman concrete is more durable and strong than modern concrete. Thanks for watching, and if you like what I do here, please leave me a comment in the comment section, and if not, let me know so I can try to improve and provide better quality videos for you all. With that being said, you all take good care of yourself. Bye bye.